Hey, say come outside.
So you said tip on my monkey, bro?
I'm gonna kill that pussy ass monkey, man.
All right, bet, wait. You be my monkey, got beef for me, boy. That shit up there about that shit.
Hey, come outside, bitch.
Man, I'm high. I'm high from the op. Nigga, don't come outside.
I'm talking to y'all in a minute, okay?
I'll be out there, bitch ass nigga, scary ass niggas.
He's scared of the monkey.
You know Jay scared of this damn monkey. Wait, you see my shit? Stop my back up, my back up. Yeah, boy, you see this monkey, boy. Come on. She like diamonds.
Get tired of that whole crying and shit, boy. On God.
Yeah, you see her? See her?
Hey, that bitch 5'4" on Jesus.
She get on your ass too. She snatch chain. You know that?
And everything.
Look at her.
Hey, that. Hey, this a real, no cap.
Hey, go get that nigga chain. Go get that nigga chain. Look at her. Yeah, she like them diamonds.
Hey, I'm gonna buy that whole bracelet on Jill.
Oh yeah, you got to.
I'm gonna buy that whole bracelet on everything.
Yeah, look at her.
Baby,
Look how she get. Come on. Hey. Look, she get scared when you see too many people around. She's not chain.
Hey, on my hey, that shit hard.
She's not chain. Are you straight?
Hey, that shit hard to fuck on. Good.
She snatch chains. I swear to God. Look at her. Look how she bad as fuck. But she bite everybody too. She like the color and shit. Hey, and she eat. Girl, she eat everything you eat.
She eat real food?
Man, she eat everything you eat, boy.
I thought them hoes just eat bananas and shit.
That shit don't fill them up. You think a banana fill you up?
Yeah, nah, banana don't fill you up. That's monkey though.
That bitch eat it, man. Look at her. Man, come on, get out of her. She eat chicken, whatever you got, lobster, it don't matter. She gonna eat that bitch.
Hey.
Look at him.
Feed that hoe something right quick.
Huh?
That hoe don't drink out no baby water.
Yeah, she drink out baby bottle or regular cups. It don't matter.
Regular cup food?
Hell yeah.
Damn. What kind of monkey that is?
Ain't no damn.
Hey, what kind of monkey that is?
A squirrel monkey.
I don't want them hoes on everything. Hey, I'm putting that on my pocket. Hey, I'm putting that bitch in my pocket.
Look how she get. Let her go, man. Let her go. Look how she get. She swing.
Damn.
She swing like she swing blocks.
Boy, that shit raw.
Let her go, man. Watch this. Look how she get my knee. Look. I ain't going nowhere.
Hey, that hard. That was like a baby, but that bitch be jumping.
Oh, everything. She run around the whole house. You catch her run up the stairs. You ever seen the Geico running and shit? That's how she run.
Damn, that shit raw.
She thugging. She snatched chain. I can't wait. Wet. I'm taking her to the show.
Oh, hey, that hoe going in motherfucking pockets and everything during the show about mom.
Oh, everything. I swear to God.
Hey, that shit hard right there. Don't care.
Look how she hot.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, finna go. Watch out. Look.
Yeah, she is, huh? Sure.
Look at him. Watch out.
Boy, they got a real deal monkey in there.
Look at him. Come on, get up.
Come on, bring her back. Let her food right there.
That hoe sleep in the cage?
You want to see her cage?
Yeah. Hey, you gonna wake up that bitch up. Hey, you gonna wake up that hoe gonna be in the middle of your face.
I be letting her do that shit. Look at her. She got her own little spot. Go ahead.
Yeah,
You
that
wanna go in
hoe
there?
got a little house.
She got the house. She got the swing and all in that bitch. She thug. She don't go nowhere without that teddy bear right there. See that teddy bear?
Yeah.
She don't go nowhere without that bitch.
That shit hard.
That's how
I gotta give me one of them hoes though. I ain't gonna lie. That's a trend right there. You said that right there. I need me a monkey fool. A little squirrel monkey.
She thugging. Look at her.
Googling them all right now.
She thugging. Hey, get your dumb ass on.
Hey, Pooter, look at that hoe fool.
Come on.
Hey, got a real deal monkey in that hoe. Look. Look, fool. No. Oh, God, that boy got a real deal monkey out there. That motherfucker wrong. That nigga got a cage and everything. What the fuck that motherfucker in? That the cage? Yeah. That bitch wrong.
That's her house.
And that be like a house. That be like a mini house. Like a little tree house and all that.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Real shit. That's different type of money right there. I told him, he said that. I'm finna throw a Google in the bitch, though. God.
Hey, And they make baby, and I can file my taxes with them.
Yep.
You said, and you can file your taxes with them.
What the tax? You know, I'm a street nigga. You know, I got
For
to
real, fool. What? Hell no.
You can file
That's
taxes
real
and all.
kid.
You know, I'm a street nigga. That's the first thing I heard.
Yeah, on God, hey, on everything, real shit.
She don't let me go nowhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna give me one of them hoes, bro. Hey, I'm finna get outside though. I'm in New York. I'm finna walk down the street in Madison right quick.
All right.
Madison Square.
I bet that be safe.
Oh, y'all.
Bitches, look how she be jumping. She jump. Come on, let's go. She's on me fast as fuck. Come on, let's go. Bring your ass on. Come on. Come on, let's go. I'm not here. I got paper on my mouth. Hey, she wanna close the gate. She wanna close the gate on that shit. You don't wanna come on? You wanna come? What you wanna do? I'm finna go now. I'm about to go. I'm about to go now. I'm about to go. All right, bet. Come on. Let's go. Look out. Yeah, I'm gonna go. She chilling. What you wanna do? You ain't gonna come in and take my monkey, bitch. I got paper. No, I'm gonna waste your time. Take my motherfucker out.
Baby, show you got paper. Show them paper. You drop some paper.
I'm like, thank you. Come on, it's a girl too. I want to go up and let them get it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Look, why ain't clean her cage out, man? Tell me to clean my monkey cage out. Mom, just go tell him.
I'm about to leave home and do it. Everybody.
Hey. Look, you better not jump on her. Come on. Watch out, Mom. Watch out, Mom.
Come on, let's go.
That's simple. Simple, that's it. All right, get your ass in the cage then. Go ahead. Bye-bye. Bye. Move your feet. I'm gonna make her head cry. Move. You better not open this cage no more either.
She not gonna open.
Yeah, she not open this cage.
Cause you know this.
Yeah, she not.
She's smart.
Man, I ain't making no sound. Fuck.
She's smart though. That's the good at she's smart.
Bitch,
No,
I'm
she's smart.
I've been thug. Let me see that. See where this pussy that nigga Jay at.
You should be.
Give me off the court again, boy. Go, there you go. There you go. Get it on. Give me off the court again, boy. Go, there you go. There you go. Get it on.
Hey, we in the middle of Vallejo right now. We tracking that. I'm trying to get it. Give me the ice cream. Ice cream sandwich. I'm trying to. Bang bang. Mission accomplished, baby. I'm hyped right now. You're right there. And that's it. Yeah!
I seen some niggas wearing Gucci the other day, so is the ban off or not? Y'all gotta let me know, because I got a bunch of shit in here that I ain't gave away yet. Niggas wearing Gucci again or not? Because y'all ain't say nothing about them niggas that had it on the other night. If I wear it, y'all gonna talk shit? You niggas is something else with these bans, cuz. Let me know when the ban is officially off. Bad year, man. It was terrible watching my Steelers play this year, and it's fucking terrible watching my Lakers play. Somebody gotta go. Fuck the shit. Somebody gotta go. Matter of fact, a lot of niggas gotta go. Starting with the coach. Well, this shit ain't gonna work. This is not the LA way. Ship all them niggas out. Get a slave ship and ship all them sorry motherfuckers the fuck out of here. Sick of this trying to act like it's gonna be all right, it's gonna be cool, they gonna figure it out, they gonna grow. These sorry motherfuckers ain't gonna do shit. Nothing. Get LeBron some fucking help, because these goofballs ain't gonna do shit. They sorry. They fucking suck. I'm selling my fucking booth right now. I got a booth for the next 2 years, 3 years. This year, y'all can have it. $5 for the motherfucking booth to the Laker games. $5 is the price. Anybody can have it. All the homies hit me, blow me up right now.